Are you looking for the best folding tires bikes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best folding tires bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NARRAK Electric Fat Tire Bike. The NARRAK Folding Fat Tire Bike is your ideal companion for adventures, blending durability with easy portability. Its sturdy frame and shock-absorbing front fork ensure a smooth ride across various terrains, whether you're cruising on a trail or navigating sandy beaches. With a powerful 750W motor and a 48V13Ah battery, you can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, making your outdoor explorations exciting. Plus, the bike offers 4 riding modes, allowing you to choose leisurely strolls or thrilling rides, catering to your pace and preferences. What we like: versatile for various terrains, powerful motor for speed, multiple riding modes, durable and ergonomic design. Number 2. Omelaza 26-inch Folding Mountain Bike. The Omelaza folding mountain bike offers a versatile riding experience with its 21-speed system, allowing you to easily select the best gear for any terrain. You'll enjoy a comfortable ride thanks to the adjustable seat and padded shock absorbers, which work together to reduce vibrations. The durable, high-quality tires provide excellent grip and puncture resistance, ensuring a safer journey. Plus, the dual-disc brake system enhances stopping power, giving you more control. With quick-release clips, this bike folds easily for convenient transport and storage, making it perfect for your active lifestyle. What we like: versatile 21-speed system, comfortable adjustable seat, puncture-resistant tires, reliable dual-disc brakes, easy folding mechanism. Number 3. bluebiko 1000W Folding Electric Bike. The bluebiko folding electric bike is designed for your commuting and adventure needs. Its large 48V20Ah removable battery allows you to travel up to 80 miles on a single charge, minimizing the hassle of frequent recharging. You can tackle steep hills and reach speeds over 30 miles per hour thanks to its powerful 1000W peak motor, providing you with quick acceleration and enhanced climbing ability. Safety is paramount with its advanced braking system, featuring dual-disc brakes for reliable stops. Additionally, the bike's sturdy design and 20-inch fat tires make it perfect for various terrains, including snow and rugged trails. What we like: long-range battery, powerful motor, reliable braking system, versatile terrain capability. Number 4. Max 4out 26-inch Folding Mountain Bike. The Max 4out folding mountain bike is designed for adventure seekers who love exploring rugged trails and neighborhood paths. Its sturdy carbon steel frame ensures durability, allowing you to tackle various terrains with confidence. The durable alloy rims and tires provide a smooth ride, making it easy to navigate over bumpy surfaces. With 21 speed shifters, you can effortlessly switch gears for an adaptable riding experience, whether you're climbing hills or cruising on flat roads. Plus, the quick-release seat post allows you to adjust the seat height quickly, ensuring a comfortable fit for your rides. What we like: durable carbon steel frame, smooth riding on various terrains, easy gear transitions, quick seat height adjustments. Number 5. NARRAK Electric Tricycle 750W. The Tricycle electric bike offers impressive performance with its powerful 500W motor, allowing you to reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour and tackle steep hills with ease. The UL-certified 48V13Ah removable battery lets you travel up to 25 miles on electric power alone or 45 miles in pedal assist mode, providing flexibility for your rides. Its compact battery design means you can easily charge it anywhere. Plus, with dual suspension and 16-inch fat tires, you can enjoy a smooth ride on various terrains, making it perfect for both city commuting and outdoor adventures. What we like: high-speed performance, long-range battery, smooth ride on all terrains, portable battery design.